It's my birthday in a couple weeks. Well, not my birthday per se, but my weblogs. After 5 long years at AFC, I think it's time to do something a little more physical. Not just something that my fans can read or see, but something they can hold. Something they can hear. You know, with my weblog, it's always like I'm the hype man behind the artist. Never the DJ. Well, that is all going to change.
Never heard of that before.
Were you listening? To the sound? The sound of art?